2 whole hazelnuts, some skimmed milk and cocoa. And Nutella releases its energy slowly. Wake up to Nutella.
Oh, red.
Entire 16 dangerous.
There's now more fruits and more nuts in Tesco Muesli. At no more cost. Well, when everybody's feeling a bit gloomy at the start of the year, at least we can give you a better start to the day. Tesco, every little helps. Do you come back from holiday fitter or fatter? Are you a night owl?